Alright, what are we looking to get done today, brother?
How much for a lineup, bro?
$10.
$10? All right, yeah, just line me up, man. Cut a little bit off the top, maybe freshen up that fade a little bit, maybe a little design, hit the chin a little bit. Yeah, but just a lineup, man. Just a lineup, really.
Alright, what are we thinking of today?
So I want to keep it really long, but also like really short, you know, just like a regular haircut, you know what I mean? Just like a regular haircut, just like really short, really long. You know what you're doing, man. I trust you.
How much are we taking on?
You know, just about 5 inches or so. Probably something like that. I have a picture if you want to see it. Yeah, probably something like this.
How you doing today?
Just bald fade. Yeah, just bald fade. That's all I need. Bald fade. Yep.
How was Easter?
But yeah, just bald fade. Yep, just bald fade. Hey man, who do you think the Steelers are going to get in the draft?
Man, I think
Yeah, but you know, they should really just get a running back, honestly. I mean, you know, for everything that they need, they really need a running back, you know what I mean? Matter of fact, they really should get a running back instead. AB back. They should get AB back. I mean, you know, it's the only thing. I mean, yeah, I mean, it only makes sense. I mean, he's one of the greatest receivers.
bro, you gotta stop staring at me.
So where are you from? Well, I'm from like outside the city, like in Finleyville. I don't know if you know where that is, man. What kind of lights you guys use in this place? Really bright.